Hey, so we are on the way. We're recording. Aiki is here. Aiki, wave to the camera. Marty, wave to the camera. Aiki is not Aiki today. Aiki is Marty. Aiki, wave to the camera. And we are waiting for the train to come because we have overtaken the train on our way up here. We are now at some place. We will show you right now where we are. What I learned from today's vlog, which will be very short because it's damn cold outside, is that don't go vlog outside when it's damn cold. And it's spring, it's still damn cold outside. I know it's not a nice word, damn, but it's damn cold. And I just hope Aiki won't be sick again because he was sick for a week, and we just have to go back to the car and hide in the car because it's freezing cold outside, even though the sun is shining. So we are at Zbojska, Salash Zbojska today. And the second thing I learned from vlogging today is that if you are vlogging on Panasonic G7 or similar camera, use the settings the TubeNoob prepared for us, because this is so simple. You just scroll the front dial on the camera and you adjust the exposure compensation. And TubeNoob, big shout out to you, TubeNoob. I will link down the video he was making the settings for vlogging for Panasonic G7, and also other videos he was making for G7. And third thing I learned from today, and I'm hungry. You don't have to learn about that. but it's beautiful outside. So, very short vlog today, and we are going back home. Dobre, okay. Ciao. First of all, let me get this straight. I admire, I adore Casey for everything what he's done, what he's doing, because of us community artists or just people who want to enjoy themselves by watching his stories and inspiring us and the others. But something made me really confused for the past couple of days. Maybe perplexed, or I don't know how to describe it, because of this.